Hello and greetings. My name is Wendy Ma. I have joined the Emeritus Institute of Saddleback College since 2019. I teach Tai Chi and Qigong, also known as the Focused and Balanced Movement Health and Wellness course. I have a bachelor's degree in liberal art and master's degree in computer science from UMass Amherst. Over the past 10 years, I have dedicated my time and effort in the training, practicing, and teaching of multiple Tai Chi and Qigong styles and routines. At present, I'm focused on teaching the Yang style and mixed styles Tai Chi routines and Qigong routines. Teaching in the Emeritus Institute has been an enjoyable and rewarding experience for me. Not only have we shared and learned the Tai Chi and Qigong techniques to improve our mind and body health and well-being, we have also shared knowledge and life experiences with each other. Together, we have fostered a strong Tai Chi community with great friendship. With the holistic approach in mind, I have integrated moves and techniques from various Tai Chi and Qigong routines into my class activities. Our class activities will typically include whole body warm-ups, which include balance and flexibility practices, fundamental Tai Chi stepping and stances, Qigong and Tai Chi routine learning, and deep breathing practices as we close our class. Last but not least, there are weekly information sharing and discussions of various health and wellness topics, in addition to the Tai Chi and Qigong principles and fundamentals. Relaxation is the key to reaping the health benefits of Tai Chi and Qigong practices. Just come to the class with comfortable clothing and a relaxed and open mind. Together, let's share a fun and energizing experience and continue our lifelong learning with our Tai Chi friends. I look forward to meeting you in my classes. Thank you.